Platinum Freight Management presents an introduction to air freight customs clearance. When you order a package from overseas, no tax is payable until the value of the goods exceeds 1,000 Australian dollars. While your parcel is in the air, Platinum Freight can help clear your items through customs and quarantine. All you need to do is provide them with an invoice or eBay receipt for the goods you've purchased, the airway bill document, along with a completed authorization form that you can download off the Platinum Freight website. Email these documents over to info@platinumfreight.com.au and they can get the ball rolling. Once the package arrives in Australia, there are 3 possible scenarios that can take place. This is where Platinum Freight can simplify things for you. Scenario 1. Both customs and quarantine choose to release your goods. Scenario 2. Customs releases the goods, but quarantine require an inspection. And Scenario 3. Both customs and quarantine choose to inspect your goods. Whatever the case, Platinum Freight can collect your goods from the airline terminal and deliver to your home or business. Platinum Freight, Australia-wide customs clearance. There is simply no higher level of service. Call 1300 882 877 or visit platinumfreight.com.au.